One of the advantages of working as an online freelancer is that it lets me to work from anywhere I choose to. You know that I've left Bangalore and then I went to Dharamshala. I was there for 2 years and then I came back to my native place, Tripura. And I've been here since 2019. Okay, and it has been fun working from different places, and it also lets me to travel while I work. During the COVID, we went to different places like Imphal and then Goa. We were there in Goa for almost a month, and you have seen videos on my channel from there as well. Now, that was not all. In between, we have made some small trips to different places like Kolkata and within Tripura as well, and those have been away from home. But during those trips, my work did not stop. I could work from anywhere where I was. So right now, I'm in Kolkata in one of my brother's house, and I just came yesterday. But then the work has not stopped even then, right? So that is one thing which not everyone gets. However, when I started doing this, it was very new and people were very curious to know how I do, how I work from different places, how I do this thing. But then after pandemic, a lot of people have started doing work from home as a regular thing, right? So it's not that exciting, or not that unknown anymore, right? But then still, if you are a freelancer, if you are someone who is working online, then you would know the life of a digital nomad has always been very, very attractive, right? So this time it's a little more than Kolkata. We are actually going to the Europe. Yes. So we are going to Europe, and we'll be there for a few days. Not a long trip, but then it's the first time I'm going to Europe with my family. So again, the work this time I'm going to take a leave. I'm going to be completely cut off from my um, work because I'm not taking my laptop along with me. So it's going to be a complete vacation, and this vacation has come after almost I would say 4.5 years, because since 4.5 years I've never spent one single day without my laptop, right? So this time it's a little different. We thought that we'll not take our laptops, me and my wife, and we're going to be on our own without any connection with our digital life. So let's see how it goes, and I hope I'll be able to show you many more clippings or many more videos from Europe. Let's see how it goes, and if I can upload more videos on from Europe, you'll be watching on my channel for sure. So stay tuned, keep watching the videos. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and those who are already watching me for a long time, thanks a lot for being there. Thanks for being the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. It's raining out there. Can you see this? I don't think you can understand. Probably you can hear the sound of the rain. Alright. So take care, have fun. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.